I'm walking towards I'm gonna meet my friend at Mexico Lindo, and I decided to walk. I mean, it wouldn't hurt at all, but you know how it is these days. You know, one of the weirdest things is that it's windy but it's not cold, and you know, people just look at me and they think I'm crazy, but I'm not, you know. So I don't know. I'll see. I mean, you know, I'm sure everyone does that, and they'll look crazy, but no, it's just vlogging here. So it's nothing unusual. For people who don't do this, it is kind of weird, but you know, just anything. And so we're almost there. Yesterday was my friend's birthday, and she had plans, but they got canceled because of the rain. So we're getting together at Mexico Lindo restaurant, you know, to celebrate her birthday. So yeah, that should be fun. We're walking, and we're walking. Walking. Okay, so it's just across the street, and it's still very windy, and I hate it. So it's gonna be a windy vlog today. So I'll meet you at the restaurant. Right? Let's go. Okay, so I'm already here, and I'm just waiting for my friend to get here, and I'm not gonna order anything yet until she gets here. So hopefully she gets here soon.
Not recording. Were you recording? You're like, hi, Maria. You didn't tell me. You press it again.
Okay, so I'm home now. After the restaurant, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. I didn't have a lot of images, but I had a good time. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.